it is a family favorite. It is Kahlua cake, and we're going to make it right now. In a small bowl, we're going to slightly beat 4 eggs. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, we're going to add 1 box of devil's food cake mix. Then we're going to add 1 small box of vanilla pudding. Next, we're going to add our slightly beaten eggs, and we're going to add oil next. There's now the Kahlua. We are going to give it a good mix. Scraping the bowl sides as needed. Now it's time to add the sour cream. And we're going to mix that in slightly. Then we're going to add the chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate or milk chocolate, any chocolate you want. For this one, I use milk chocolate, mini chips from Ghirardelli. Now we're going to mix until combined and scraping the sides as needed. Once you're done mixing the batter, we're going to take our bundt pan and some pan baking spray, or whatever type of baking spray that you prefer to use, and spray the pan. Then we're going to proceed to add the batter to the pan. Now with a rubber spatula, we're going to smooth out the batter as level as possible. Now we're going to bake the cake at 350 degrees for 1 hour, and then we will let it cool completely in the pan before putting it on a serving plate. That's it. It's the ultimate Kahlua cake. It's so moist, rich, no frosting needed because it's already perfect. It freezes like a dream. If it even makes it into the freezer, you can pair it with wine, coffee, milk, or whatever beverage you choose. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know what beverage you're having with your slice. See you in the next one. Goodbye.